Today we're about to conquer an unboxing and installation of the SANSI LED outdoor security light. It's 36 watts, but it's 250 watt equivalent, so it's probably pretty bright. All right, we just got it in. We were able to get 20% off on this, and we'll actually share that coupon with you on the bottom. You can also get 20% off. I like saving money and getting discounts. Okay, so it looks like it's got an instruction manual here. It's got all the basics of the wiring, how to set it up. Okay, that's the full instruction manual. Congratulations. Let's see what we got inside. Oh. Okay. You're able to turn it, direction it where you need it to go. We've got the motion sensor here where it says test, auto, timer. And this is for the mode. Oh, it's got some good options down here as well. I guess it's the amount of light, the amount of time in minutes from 1 to 10, and the range from minimum to maximum. All right, this is the SANSI model. Okay, in the installation kit, it comes with a waterproof foam gasket, comes with the mounting plate, a couple of screw nuts to connect your electrical, and then it comes with a center bolt and two other connecting bolts right there. Let's get into it and see how it works. Of course, on the wiring, it's got the hot, the neutral, and the ground. Okay, the back plate just pops off with a screwdriver on either side. You pull that off. It's got the internals inside. Now you don't actually have to get into the internals, but that's nice to know if you actually needed to, how to access the panel. And there's the inside. Looks like it's a proprietary board. SANSI right there. It easily pops back into place. So the basic assembly with this is you're just going to remove your old light fixture. You're going to install your new plate to go ahead and mount this to. You're going to use your long bolt, and the long bolt is going to go right here through the center, and that's going to screw into this plate that's connected to your electric box. So let's go ahead and get started. If you found this video helpful, or if you want to help support our channel so we can make quality content, please support us on Patreon. We'll have a link below. Thanks for watching.
This is a 36 watt unit that's equivalent to a 250 watt incandescent bulb, which actually puts out 3,600 lumens. Super, super bright. It also has an estimated lifespan of 50,000 hours of use, or 22.8 years. That's using 3 hours per day. If you're using 8 to 9 hours per day, it brings it down to a 7.6 year lifespan for the LED bulbs. I also love that it has the waterproof gasket that comes in the package. Making it weatherproof really makes it very exciting to have outside, because you know it's going to last a lot longer and not get damaged by the water with the electronics inside.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that you turn off the electricity. Turn off the electricity. Okay, so first you need to pull off your old fixture. put on the new one. Okay, so before you set it up, you want to definitely test the wires to make sure that they're not live. Make sure they're not hot. Okay, so first you're going to install your mounting bracket. You getting the black one for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's so levelly, right?
Yeah,
It's so levelly.
you're right.
That's cool and levelly. Hi. This is my video. Alexander, a new video.
No. So we're going to wire it up right now, and then once we wire it up, then we're going to mount it with the long screw. And once you put each wire in, you want to give it a tug to make sure that it's not going to come out. Okay. Okay, you want to make sure that you put it through the hole in the gasket to make sure the gasket stays in the center. You want to push your wires back inside the box. Make sure that's straight the way that it needs to go. And adjust your motion detector to make sure that it is facing the way that you want it to go. You set your settings on the bottom, how many minutes you want, what range you want. Then you want to adjust them where you want them to go. Looks like they're pretty bright. We're going to go ahead and test them tonight to see how it works. But pretty quick installation. If you're not chasing around a kid or you're not wearing flip-flops while you're on the ladder, should be about a 7 to 10 minute install. And pretty easy, pretty simple. And I really do like the gasket that it comes with to make sure that you are not going to have water coming into your electrics or inside your wall. So that's real nice. As you see, this guy here is pretty bright. It has actually lit up my whole entire backyard like it's daylight. So definitely a thumbs up on the brightness. Coming out of these two sockets right there, dusk till dawn.